you're going to run for this? Oh, di ba? Melo is not allowed. Not allowed? Oh my God. Your chance. Grab it.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey. Oh my God. What's wrong? Tired? Feeling hot? This is the first time we are going outside far, okay? Are you surprised? Yeah, by the way, we're sitting out. Food only. Oh, see, I think we get some.
Melo, give them. Give them the food.
Ayun na, naman siya na tatlo. Hi, friend.
Pinantayan niya pagkain.
Kaya nga. Milo, they want to
share
eat
their food.
each other.
Sharing is caring. Hello.
Hi,
Melo!
friend.
Give them your food. Because you are rich kid, you know?
Oh, yun pa oh. Alam nila. Alam nila ang pagkain mo.
Amoy. You are rich kid and they are homeless. Spare some food.
Hey.
Really?
Hey.
Hello.
Melo, you have lots of food.
Hello, come. Run. Hello, run.
Run! No, he will not run.
Yeah,
He is
run.
good.
You want? Ate Haya will adopt you?